Hi, today I'm going to show you how to install Xampp on your Mac machine and also set up WordPress on your local host. First of all, you need to go to Google and then type Xampp download. Then after go to this link, then go to bottom and then choose the Mac version. So the latest version for Xampp this PHP 7.3. So download this. I have already downloaded this folder, so I'm not going to download it again. Just go in my download folder. Okay, then I have got already downloaded. Just double click this one. Okay, then now is already coming, so I need to just click and drag on the application. Just then it's showing in verifying in here. So it's still loading. Okay, now just click open. After this is the Xampp uh, menu. You just click in here, start it. It's still loading. If it coming is green in here, then it's okay. Until it's not green in here, then you cannot choose this for action. Okay, now it's green. So and then my IP address is showing in here. So if you go in Google and then type localhost, it's not coming because the site cannot reach it. Okay, then first need to started Apache and started MySQL. Okay, then you can type this address. If you type local address or local host, is not working. You need to type this address or just click go to my application. Okay, see this one is the your IP address and then dashboard. Then after okay, if you go phpmyadmin, then the access is forbidden. So you need to change the uh, this detailed configuration here. So you need to find out this file http://exam.config. Okay, then first, so how can you find out this file? Just go in your volume and the mount because the folder is not not mount. So just click mounted, then click explore, then go etc, then extra, then this one. So http://exam.config. Just click and when it's sublime text you can use different editor. Okay, so you need to change little configuration in here. Just see what is you need to change it. You need to change just in local lname my phpmyadmin. You need to change in here require all granted, granted. Then after set the file, okay, save the file, then stop this, start it again, still loading. Okay, still I'm waiting for this. Okay, just started, then click the service started Apache and the MySQL. The MySQL started and Apache already started. So if you go, just click this link, go my dashboard. Okay, then now you can go in your phpmyadmin. Say phpmyadmin. Before is access denied. Okay, now going to show you how do you access the local host. Okay, just go your network, then you see localhost 80804 over SSH. Uh, just click enable this one and then type localhost 8080, then see, and also same things you can do it. Oh. So now I'm going to show you how to you set up WordPress on your this local machine. First of all, you need to download WordPress. Download. You can download from in here. I have already downloaded version in here, so I'm not going to download it again. Just I'm going to my download folder. Okay, I have got WordPress in here. Okay, so when you first you need to download it and then zip it, unzip. So if you unzip, then you can see. Okay, I'll show you the download one. Okay, just click download. Okay, it's going to download now. Okay, then just click it and unzip because okay, this one is the unzip one. Just go to the file, then now you can see this wp config sample. Just open this folder with Sublime or different editor. Just go and then give a name in here. Just I'm going to give the name is database name is Shihab and the username is root, and I just this one is the blank. So then set the file. Okay, then rename the file name. This one is just only wp config. Okay, wp config. Then I just select all the file, copy, and then go to my Xampp folder, Boolean, if explore, then you can see if I do explore, then I can see the hot doc file. Just htdocs, just click here and then okay, this one I'm going to create a folder, just new folder name problem. Then going to fetch the whole WordPress file in here. Just only change the rename this one wp config, and inside you need to just create this. Now it's going to is copy the file. So I need to do little things in here. And just if you go localhost 80 and phpmyadmin, I need to create a database name. So just database click, name is Xampp. What is a previous put in the wp config file. So the name is Xampp, database name, then create it. Okay, just create already one database. Then now after finish the copy the file, then so it is still copy the folder, is not yet finished, just few more files. Okay, the file is finished copy. So the folder name is Xampp. So now I'm going to localhost dot 80 slash Xampp. Okay, then now this, then I put in a site title, WordPress, username is admin, and password is admin. Need to confirm it, an email address admin at, you can choose your email address. I just, and then click the install. Okay, then click now in here, just click admin and admin, just click in here. Takes time. Okay, the WordPress in here. So this is the WordPress dashboard in here. So you don't need to type the local host. If you type local host slash dashboard, is not working. Just you need to type localhost dot this, or you can access from your IP address. Okay, just I put in my IP address. This is my IP address slash my folder path share product. Slash wp admin. So this is the, you can work from your local host. Thanks for watching.